Lash story time, and you will not want to miss this story. So I had a client coming in looking for this type of lash set. This is her inspo. But when she came in, her natural lashes were looking like this. Let me start by saying that some clients' natural lashes are unruly like this, and it's just their natural lashes, but this was not the case. This client's natural lashes were over-processed due to a lash lift gone wrong. So I had to have a very uncomfortable but really important conversation with this client. The realistic outcome of the set was not going to be what she had hoped for, that perfectly clean looking lash set. We could do it, but it was gonna look quite different, and it was going to take a lot of time. This client didn't have a crazy amount of time, nor did I have a lot of time in my schedule. So the outcome was just not realistic. And she also had a wedding the next day. So here is what I did in this situation. I just told her exactly what the outcome was going to look like and how long the service was going to take. I also explained to her that her natural lashes were quite damaged and over-processed. So it was important for us to keep the weight at a minimum. Knowing that she had a wedding, it was important for her to have a perfect looking lash set. So I sent her home with a Lash Gains, which is Lost Artistry Lashes Growth Serum, to boost her natural lash health, getting her natural lashes back to normal, and hopefully lifting some of that grow out because the natural lash cycle will be enhanced and sped up. From there, I said, I am not letting you go home without lashes on. So I gave her a perfect DIY lash look. These DIY lashes we call here at Lost Artistry, we call them citizen lashes. They are totally versatile, so you can create any look your client wants. So what I did was I gave her the natural shape DIY lash look on the bottom. So I placed those first. Look at how pretty it is. So nice, but it's not the textured look that she wants. So I also grabbed the textured cat eye lash look. I cut the corners off just so that we could use the spikes in the fans to create that perfect texture that she was looking for. I then applied those right on top of the natural shape that I had already applied. Yes, this is totally healthy for the natural lash. The lash look's gonna last for up to 5 days, so she can totally get a weekend of lashes out of it. And the lashes looked perfectly uniform, and they were created in a timely manner. Luckily, this client left super happy with the look that she was going for and all the education she could ever want to make sure that her natural lashes are never treated like this again. This experience made me so grateful that I retailed Lash Gains and Citizen Lashes, so I have something to offer my clients in uncomfortable situations just like this one. I'm so happy she got to leave with the lashes she was looking for.